Hey, it's Julia from Violin Inspiration, and today I'm going to teach you how to play A Million Dreams. Isn't this song the perfect way to start the new year? But wait a second, is your violin still in its case? As always, you are only allowed to watch this video with your violin, so tune your violin, get back to the computer or phone as soon as your violin is ready, and post violin in the comments so I know that you are actually practicing. If you have your violin ready, post the violin emoji in the comments or post simply violin so I can heart everyone that is actually practicing with me today. First of all, this is the beginner version of the piece. If you want to challenge yourself more and want to play something that comes closer to the original of the song, check out the intermediate version. You can find that version on my channel as well, and I will link it below this video. Secondly, to help you play this song really well, I added a free download of the scale below this video. I always recommend to play the scale of the song before practicing the actual song, so you know exactly where to place your fingers and your intonation will just be so much better. So download the free scale below this video. Without further ado, let's get started practicing. We start with a slow play along and you can gradually speed up until you are able to play this song confidently with a fast play along. I'm so happy you took the time to practice with me. If you were able to make it through one of the play-alongs, post a thumbs up in the comment and let me know what play-along you managed to play along with. If you like to play this inspiring piece, you will probably also love to play A Whole New World. It has the same hopeful feeling and it's also perfect for starting 2026. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you will get a notification if I post the next tutorial next week. I think you will really love to play this song as well.